Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Fatima Walele and I will be taking EVS part 1 for you. Okay. So you have many chapters in EVS. So let's begin with one of them. And the first chapter that I will start is the life cycle. And today's date is 7 July 2021. And so what do you know about life cycle of animals? Can anyone say me? You might know life cycle means a stages of life. Okay, so some people first the baby is born, so they are small. When they grow up, they become elder. Like you people, you are in 4th standard, you are like 6-7 years old, 8 years old or more, that age, and then they grow up, they become more big, they become adult, and then they become old. Okay, so this is life cycle. Then they die. This is life cycle. Every human being is following this life cycle. Everyone takes birth, everyone dies. So now what do you know about we'll go with living animals. Okay, so did you see any puppy and with their mothers, an adult dog and a baby puppy? Yeah, you might have seen, आपने देखा होगा puppies and big dogs, right? So there are difference. There is no difference in puppies and mothers, in their mothers. Okay, so how can you say that there is no difference? Yeah, mother is having 4 legs, baby is having 4 legs, and their teeth are like that. They have sharp teeth, they have sharp teeth. So babies are similar copy of their mothers. Okay, did you see a kitten, a cat? या यू माइट हैव सीन, आपके घर के किधर पास में बेबी कैट्स एंड बड़े कैट्स ये होंगे. तो आपने देखा होगा किधर ना किधर. सो दिस इज अ प्रोसेस. वन किड एंड अ फुल्ली ग्रोन गोट आर वेरी डिफरेंट टू लुक एट. फर्स्ट जब कोई गांव में रहता है, कोई शहर में रहता है, तो बेबी गोट्स, बकरियां जो देखते हैं छोटे वाले, वो और उनकी माँ, उसमें थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस होता है देखने में. बट after some days they look alike, they look same. Similarly in dogs and kittens also, they are mothers and the babies are far same. And some animals like crow, hen, spiders, then lizards, they lays eggs. Okay, so firstly we studied about animals which take directly birth. Okay, they grow, the animals grow like cats and dogs. Their babies are grown in the mother's tummy, and afterwards they do not lay eggs, but afterwards they take birth. Okay, they grow in the tummy and then they take birth. Now some animals like hen. Okay, hens. These hens, fishes, butterflies, and these animals lay egg, and after some days that eggs hatches and the babies come out. Okay, so what happens? The eggs of some small animals are very small and hardly noticed. Okay, like spiders and ants. Their eggs are very small. We can't see them. But when we go in a the farm, we can see there are hens and with their eggs. Okay, we can see they are big enough to see. So they will develop and later on the babies will come out of their eggs. But now those animals like fishes, can we see fishes egg? We can't see. Can we see ant? मूंगी देखते हैं ना, चूटी आती है, उनके अंडे भी हमें दिखते नहीं. बटरफ्लाइज भी उनके अंडे ऐसे जगह छोड़ते हैं जहाँ पे इट्स लाइक डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस टू रीच. ओके, सो what happens next is these animals, the mother chicken lays the eggs and later the babies develop. Okay, inside it, when the egg breaks and the baby come out, that process is called hatching. Okay, what happens, these hens sit on the egg, वो अंडों पे बैठते हैं, and it gives a warm environment, it becomes a warm environment. पूरा वो जिस उनका जो घोंसला होता है जहाँ अंडे होते हैं वहाँ पे मुर्गियाँ बैठती है, and then it becomes warm. Okay, and when it becomes warm, then the baby develop more faster. Okay, they grow slowly inside it, and when the babies are born, they are called chicks. Okay, when their growth is complete, they break the shells and come out. The hens that look after its chick till they grow a little bit. Similarly na, like mothers, they look after their kid for some time. जब तक उनको खुद खाना खाने नहीं आता, जब तक उनको पानी पीना नहीं आता, तब तक मम्मी पिलाती है, आपको भी पिलाती होंगी. सिमिलरली हेन्स भी चिक्स को ऐसे ही करते हैं, उनको खाना देते हैं जब तक वो खुद अपना खाना ढूंढ नहीं सकते. ओके, now we'll go for butterfly. Butterfly is okay. बटरफ्लाई, आपने बटरफ्लाई देखे होंगे, आपने कितने बटरफ्लाईज पकड़े होंगे, राइट? अपने घर के पास, किधर एनवायरमेंट में, इन द गार्डन्स यू हैव सीन मेनी बटरफ्लाईज, राइट? सो द बटरफ्लाईज आर हैव similar, they are not similar to the elder butterfly, okay, adult butterfly, but the thing is we can see similarities in goats, in cats, in hens. But when butterfly is born, they are in the form of caterpillar. Okay, the small butterfly is when the butterfly lays egg, it is called caterpillar. Okay, that stage is called caterpillar. And when some animals are grown into an adult. Okay, listen to me carefully. Some animals they grow as an adult animal and look after others from the young ones. Like they look alike, and when the mothers take care of other animals, that is called that change and that form is called metamorphosis. Okay, now what is metamorphosis in butterflies? Can anyone say me? Okay, I will explain it very clear. Butterflies have various shapes and they are very beautiful in color, right? आपने देखा होगा ब्लैक कलर की बटरफ्लाई, ब्लू कलर की या ग्रीन कलर की या पिंक और एनीथिंग. यू हैव कलर्ड बटरफ्लाई इन स्मॉल क्लासेस. They go through 4 stages. Okay, first stage, they are eggs. Okay, first stage is called egg. Second stage is called larva. Okay, third stage is called pupa, and fourth stage is called an adult or butterfly. Okay, first stage is egg, second stage is larva, third stage is pupa, and the fourth stage is adult. Adult stage is also called as butterfly stage. Okay, so we have one variety of butterfly, that is a plain tiger butterfly. What? Plain tiger . butterfly. This is one type of butterfly. Okay, the female butterfly lays egg, and then on what, where they will lay egg, they will lay egg on milkweed leaf. Okay, milkweed leaf एक तरह का पत्ता होता है, उसके ऊपर वो लोग अंडे देते हैं, milkweed leaf. Okay, after 6 to 8 days, 6-7 दिन के बाद the egg becomes larva. Okay, एक insect जैसा बन जाता है, हाँ बन जाता है, and that larva is called a larva of butterfly is called a caterpillar. Okay, then what happens? Then what happens when the butterfly come out of the egg, when the larva come out of the egg, then it is very hungry. Okay, in the beginning it is very hungry, it eats all the plants. वो एक पत्ते पे अंडे आते हैं, right? First the eggs are on the leaf. So what happens? They eat the leaf first. They are very hungry that they start eating the leaf in their surrounding, and then they eat it very fast and grow in very rapid manner. Now what happens? When tiger butterfly grows very rapidly in first 2 or 3 days, it cannot fit in their shell. उनका shell कुछ ऐसा होता है. Okay, something like this. Okay, उनका shell ऐसा होता है, so they do not fit in this. Okay, so what happens? This part they will break from here. They will develop one inside layer of this skin, and again they will break outside layer and come out. And this time what happened? They will break this layer for 4 to 8 times, and they will make one inside soft layer. Okay. After each 3 days, one layer will break and new layer will be formed, and this layer molds will be this molds will be of 8 times. Okay, now what happens? When the butterfly is almost ready, they will be like they will start making a silk like thread like structure around themselves. Okay, so inside they will start making thread like structure and develop around themselves. Later on they will break everything, and this break everything and come out. So this thread like structure is called chrysalis. Okay, chrysalis, and inside this chrysalis, next 11 to 12 days they will stay inside this chrysalis. Okay, they will not eat anything when they are in this stage. They will not eat. Okay, when this plain tiger butterfly grows in this they grows completely in this, what happened? They will come out, and they will have very beautiful wings. They will be having beautiful colors in their wings. That is why they are called butterfly. I will show you some image of butterfly. This is a butterfly, tiger butterfly. It will grow inside this chrysalis, and there will be thread like structure inside this. They will grow like this, and later they will come out completely and become adult butterfly. Thank you.